Hello all, welcome to my .NET channel. If anyone who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my .NET YouTube channel to get the most updated and latest news on Microsoft features and updates. So today we are going to talk about AI chatbot, which we can instantly create using Visual Studio 2026 and .NET 10 framework. So let us start creating a new project, and to create an AI chatbot you need to pick AI template using the AI workload. So if you don't have it, please go ahead into Visual Studio installer and install it. Once you install it, you will be getting two features here. One is AI chatbot web and local MCP. So I'm going to talk about local MCP server in upcoming videos, but today let's concentrate only on AI chatbot web app. So I'm going to select that template and we'll go to the next screen. So we'll give some good name here. So I'm going to name it as instant AI chatbot. So on clicking on this one, so we have to select a framework. So I would recommend to use .NET 10 because this is a very long-term support, and it provides very good updated features along with nice performance out of it. So let's go with .NET 10, and going to the next one is like we need to select a service provider. So it provides around 4 providers, but I would suggest to go with GitHub Modules because this one is free of cost and it comes with a bundle of AI agents. So let me go to the next screen, and once the project is created, what we need to do is we need to configure GitHub Git Modules tokens. So how do we get this token? So to get this token, you need to go to one of the browser and search for GitHub Modules in the marketplace. So go to this marketplace and look for the agents in the model catalog. So you'll be getting n number of agents here. So we will be having a question like which module or which agent we need to select here. So to get which one we need to select, so Microsoft is giving you a nice code which creates UI and a nice AI chatbot. So I don't need to do anything here, so it is giving all set of code here. So what I need to figure out here is like to get the right module into the code. So look for this one. So it is giving GPT-4o mini. So let me find that one. So yeah, I'm having it here. So it is OpenAI O4 mini. So let me go and select it and click on use this model, and that will route you to create personal access token. To create this one, you need to have one GitHub account. If you don't have it, please go ahead and create it. So once you create it, you can click on this create token. So it will take you to your account, and then name it with the project name, or it's custom, so you can name it anyway. So I'm gonna name it as is the project name, instead AI chatbot, and that's it. You just need to select the expiration. I'm gonna select for 7 days because it's just a demo application that I'm doing. So let me go ahead and create a token here. Once your token is generated, you can just click on this one or copy this one and then go to Visual Studio. Where you need to configure this one is go ahead and select manage user secrets. So need to select put your token here. So you need to have a format. So go pick this line in your readme file put that over here and copy your token and then place your token into this section. So your token is ready to use. So what you need to do next is like, you don't need to worry about anything. You can straight away go ahead and run the application. So this will build your application and brings you AI chatbot instantly. So meanwhile, you guys can go ahead and explore more agents. This is just for a demo purpose, but when you go into real time, like, you can explore many more agents here. Yeah, so my agent is up and running. So Microsoft have designed this UI and everything. So I'm loading two documents here just for a demo purpose. So you can go ahead and find the documents. You can upload more documents into this folder. So this AI chatbot just scans all the document here and process it and then give you a right answer to your question. So let me ask the first question is, what is GPS watch? So once you hit it, so on the first time it will go ahead and scans all your documents and it will bring the results in a minute or two. But once the documents are loaded, it is very fast and it can bring the data in a fraction of seconds. So let us give some time for the documents to load. So here is your results. So it searches for GPS watch, and that is with this document. It already identified the document and it is suggesting a couple of questions. What features would you like, and how does GPS watch tracking work, and can you recommend specific models? So I would go and ask, what features should I look for? So let me ask this question, and it immediately searches the document and it is giving you processed and very neatly and readable answers to you. So it is very crispy. So if you go into the document and see, it's a very long test and it's having a lot of information there, but this AI as agent is processing the document to your readable formats and in a short very form. So you can go ahead and ask many more questions, but I'm going to end this topic here. So you can go and explore many more agents in the GitHub modules. But yeah, I hopefully say that this video might be very useful to you guys. So put your comments in the comment section. Thank you for watching.